Welcome to the How-To Studio. In this video, I will show you how to make a picture fill the whole page in Word. So let's jump right into it. So to have a full page background image in Word, the first thing you need to do is to click on Insert, then click on Picture. Then you're going to add your picture. Here we go. So the second thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we size this picture to fit the entire page. And for this, we'll need to know the length and height of the page. If you don't know the length and height of your page, you can just go to page layout. And then you click on size, and then we can see that this is a letter size, and this size is 8.5 times 11. I'm going to click outside, and then I'm going to click back into the image. When I do, I'm going to click on format, and here's where I can add my size. So I'm going to put in my 8.5. And as you can see, it automatically updates my height as well. And that's because in here I have the lock aspect ratio selected. So I'm going to uncheck it just so I can specify the exact size that I want. So I want 8.5 times 11. Perfect. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to make sure that in this arrange section, going to click on text wrap and make sure that behind text is selected. The next thing we're going to do is in the arrange section, click on align and make sure align to page is selected. Then you're going to click on align to middle, and then you're going to click align center. So that way we have our image covering the entire page. Now, if I click outside and I type here, you can see my text. Let me put it in white. Yeah, you can see my text that is there, and I can type my text as I need to. So this is how you make your image full screen in Word. And if you wanted to add another page with another image, let me just click down here, a new page with another image, you can do that as well. Just follow the same step and insert your image. But what if you wanted this image on all your pages? So to do that, what you would do is you would actually put your image in the header. So on your page, just scroll up to the top, then just double click into this top section here so that you can access the header. Then you're going to insert your image here. So go to pictures, and then you can insert your image in the header, and then now you can add your size. I'm going to turn off my aspect ratio so I can get the exact size. And then I'm going to make sure my image is wrapped behind my text. Then I make sure that align to page is selected, align middle is selected, and align center is selected. So this way I have my image perfectly aligned with my page. So the next thing I want to do is I want to close my header so I can edit my text. So I'm going to click on design here and close header and footer. So now you can have your text, and then if you have other pages, it will have the same background image as you can see here. So by putting your image in your header and your footer, then you can have your image on all your pages. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.